Welcome to this presentation on legal sentence boundary detection using hybrid deep learning and statistical models. This research was conducted by Reshma Sheikh et al. And published in 14th March 2024. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Good morning, everyone. Today, we delve into the critical challenge of sentence boundary detection, or SBD, within legal texts. While SBD is a fundamental task in natural language processing, its application to the legal domain presents unique complexities. The theoretical gap we address stems from the inherent structural and linguistic idiosyncrasies of legal documents. Think exceptionally long sentences, intricate citations, numerous abbreviations, and highly variable document structures. These features render standard SBD algorithms, typically developed for general English corpora, largely ineffective, leading to significant errors that propagate through downstream NLP pipelines. Our core research hypothesis is that a sophisticated deep learning framework capable of leveraging rich contextual information around potential delimiters can significantly enhance SBD accuracy in legal texts. Furthermore, we hypothesize that a hybrid architecture combining the strengths of deep learning with traditional statistical models will yield superior performance. Our baseline assumptions are that existing rule-based and generic statistical SBD methods are insufficient for the nuanced demands of legal language, and that domain-specific statistical conditional random field models represent the current state of the art for comparison. Our methodological approach centers on a context window-based strategy for identifying sentence boundaries. For every potential delimiter within a legal document, we extract a fixed-size character-level context encompassing both the left and right surrounding characters. This contextual information, along with the delimiter itself, is then fed into an embedding layer to generate numerical representations. We explored various deep learning architectures, including long short-term memory networks, gated recurrent units, pair bidirectional variants, and versions augmented with attention mechanisms. We also fine-tuned domain-specific transformer models, specifically legal BERT and case law BERT. The convolutional neural network, or CNN, architecture we employed utilized a one-dimensional convolutional layer with multiple filters, followed by global max pooling and a dense layer with a rectified linear unit activation, culminating in a sigmoid output for binary classification. For our statistical baseline, we implemented a first-order conditional random field model. This model operates on tokenized input, incorporating simple textual features such as character casing, token length, and the presence of digits or spaces. The model learns weights for feature functions that consider the current and previous labels, as well as the current token, to compute a probability distribution for label sequences. Our novel contribution is a hybrid architecture, where the output feature from the top-performing CNN model, specifically its sigmoid value indicating the likelihood of a delimiter being a true sentence end, is integrated as an additional, rich feature into the conditional random field model. This allows the CRF to leverage the CNN's pattern recognition capabilities alongside its own strength in modeling sequential dependencies. Our comprehensive evaluation yielded several significant findings. Among the deep learning models, the convolutional neural network consistently demonstrated superior performance, achieving an average F1 SCORE of 0.909, outperforming all recurrent neural networks and even the large transformer models like legal BERT and case law BERT, which scored around 0.80. The baseline statistical conditional random field model achieved an F1 SCORE of 0.893. Crucially, our proposed hybrid CNN-CRF model significantly surpassed these, achieving an average F1 SCORE of 0.936, representing a robust 4% improvement over the standalone conditional random field baseline. From an efficiency standpoint, the CNN model was remarkably efficient, boasting the smallest model size at 116 kilobytes and the fastest inference time at 0.16 seconds. In stark contrast, transformer models were orders of magnitude larger, exceeding 400 megabytes, and exhibited significantly longer training and inference times, despite their lower F1 scores for this specific task. To confirm the statistical significance of these performance differences, we conducted M.A. test, which unequivocally demonstrated a statistically significant difference between the CNN and CRF models. Our error analysis revealed that both CNN and CRF models struggled with ambiguous character numerals at the beginning of sentences. The conditional random field model also showed weaknesses in correctly identifying boundaries marked by colons, while the CNN occasionally misclassified parentheses within sentences. Notably, the hybrid model successfully resolved some of these specific error types. Furthermore, in an out-of-domain evaluation using an Indian legal dataset, our hybrid model achieved an F1 SCORE of 0.885, substantially outperforming standard open source toolkits, which often yielded F1 SCOREs below zero point 0.5, with even the best PYSB reaching only 0.802. This highlights the hybrid model's exceptional generalization capabilities. The theoretical implications of our findings are multifaceted. Firstly, our work confirms the efficacy of deep learning, particularly convolutional neural networks, in capturing the intricate patterns and contextual features essential for accurate sentence boundary detection in complex legal texts. This is a significant finding as the CNN outperformed more complex recurrent architectures and even large pre-trained transformer models in this specific domain, especially when considering computational efficiency. This challenges the prevailing notion that larger, more complex models are always superior, suggesting that tailored, efficient deep learning architectures can be highly effective. Secondly, the success of our hybrid architecture underscores the synergistic value of combining deep learning's powerful feature extraction with the robust sequential dependency modeling of statistical conditional random fields. This demonstrates that a purely end-to-end deep learning approach isn't always the optimal solution, and that strategic hybridization can yield superior results by integrating complementary strengths. This approach contributes to the broader understanding of how to effectively combine different machine learning paradigms. Thirdly, our out-of-domain evaluation on Indian legal texts starkly highlights the critical need for domain-specific SBD solutions. Generic, off-the-shelf NLP toolkits perform poorly, reinforcing the limitations of general-purpose models when confronted with highly specialized linguistic and structural characteristics. This challenges existing models by demonstrating their inadequacy in diverse legal contexts. Looking towards the future research frontier, several directions emerge. Quantifying the downstream impact of improved SBD on subsequent legal NLP tasks, such as argument mining or summarization, is crucial. Further exploration into integrating handcrafted, rule-based approaches for specific persistent error patterns, like those involving neurals or complex citation formats, could enhance robustness. Additionally, investigating advanced ensemble techniques promises further performance gains. Finally, the character-level nature of our deep learning component suggests high potential for cross-linguistic adaptability, extending SBD to a wider array of languages and legal document types, including those without explicit delimiters, which represents a significant and exciting frontier for robust SBD. In conclusion, this research makes a significant contribution to the field of legal natural language processing by presenting a highly effective hybrid deep learning and statistical model for sentence boundary detection. Our architecture, which strategically integrates features from a high-performing convolutional neural network into a conditional random field model, demonstrably outperforms both individual deep learning models and state-of-the-art statistical baselines, achieving a notable 4% improvement in F1 SCORE. This hybrid approach not only addresses the unique complexities of legal texts, but also exhibits robust generalization capabilities, as evidenced by its superior performance on out-of-domain legal documents. Looking ahead, we identify several promising avenues for future research. First, a critical next step involves rigorously quantifying how these advancements in SBD translate into performance gains for downstream legal NLP applications, such as legal argument mining or document summarization. Second, we aim to explore more sophisticated hybridization strategies, including the integration of targeted, handcrafted rules to address specific persistent error patterns that even our current hybrid model occasionally encounters. Third, leveraging the character-level foundation of our deep learning component, we plan to extend this framework to a broader range of languages and diverse legal document types, including those that lack explicit sentence delimiters, to develop a truly language-agnostic and robust SBD solution.